Hello and welcome to Freedom News, the news you can use to help keep Canada free. A few weeks ago, you guys may recall that Conservative MP Michael Cooper made some very accurate statements in regards to a witness in the Justice Committee regarding online hate speech. Since then, not only has he been removed from the committee, which is something I come to just accept as just avoiding a minefield. It's fortunately part of the political machinations and such. Especially unfortunately at this point in time because of the idiot we have in the Prime Minister's office. But then the Parliamentary Committee moved to strike those comments from the record. Not only have they been stricken from the transcript, the written word, Parliament has actually gone back and scrubbed Michael Cooper's comments from even the audio recording. Thankfully, I've found those recordings. The audio file was on CBC's website with the original article. I was able to play it and capture it, and I have it here, forever captured for all time. I'll be playing this audio file for you now.
Mr. Chair, for having us. My name is Faisal Khan Suri. I'm the president of the Alberta Muslim Public Affairs Council, AMPAC. Getting the gist of things now. To say it quite mildly, online hate influences real life hate. To be quite blunt about this, online hate is actually an enabler, a precursor, and a deep contributor to not just real life hate, but to murder. I think we've seen a lot of recent tragedies that have been happening across the world. In January 2017, in Quebec City, mosque killer Alexandre Bissonnette gunned down 6 Muslim men in execution style, where he came into the mosque with 2 guns and fired more than 800 rounds. The evidence from Bissonnette's computer showed he repeatedly sought content about anti-immigrant, alt-right, and conservative commentators, mass murderers, U.S. President Donald Trump, and about the rival Muslims, immigrants living in Quebec.
Thank you very much, and we'll now move to questions. Mr. Cooper.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. First of all, Mr. Suri, I take great umbrage with your defamatory comments to try to link conservatism with violent and extremist attacks. They have no foundation, they're defamatory, and they diminish your credibility as a witness. And let me, Mr. Chair, read into the record the statement of Brenton Tarrant, who is responsible for the Christchurch massacre. He left a 74-page manifesto in which he stated, "Conservatism is corporatism in disguise. I want no part of it. The nation with the closest political and social values to my own is the People's Republic of China," close quote. And I certainly wouldn't attempt to link Bernie Sanders to the individual who shot up Republican members of Congress and nearly fatally killed Congressman Scalise. So you should be ashamed. Now, with respect,
at our committee. I have this speech in front of me, Mr. Chair, and there's nothing linking conservatism to that movement. If alt-right is limited to conservatism, that's conservative issue.
He said conservatism and conservative commentators. Those are his
guys. We're going to ask, we're just going to ask everyone who is not part of the committee to leave the room for a very brief period of time, and we will have you come back in as soon as possible. We apologize for taking away your time. It was important for the committee to discuss and deal with the issue. I'm going to give the floor back to Mr. Cooper.
Well, thank you, Mr. Chair, and while I certainly find the comments made by Mr. Suri to be deeply offensive and objectionable and vehemently disagree with them, I will withdraw saying that he should be ashamed. That was not unparliamentary, but I understand it made some other members of the committee uncomfortable. So in the spirit of moving forward, I withdraw those specific comments, but certainly not the rest of what I said.
Thank you for watching. Like if you like, share, comment, and of course subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you are able to, if you could, please click on that PayPal link in the description and make some form of a donation. It would be much appreciated. Thank you and have a good day.